Good evening. Good evening and welcome to the Gastrouble Cure Expert channel, YouTube channel in English. So, in this YouTube channel, from tomorrow onwards, every day evening 6 p.m. we are going to give live classes on how to overcome gas trouble naturally by changing the lifestyle. See, before going to the today's topic, my name is Dr. N. Rambabu. I am a gastrouble cure expert. I am on the mission to help 100,000 people to overcome gastritis. That's why I have created this YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, every day 6 p.m. I am going to come live. In this live classes, I will explain you about how to overcome gastritis. So to overcome any chronic health issue, we need to focus on totally five elements of our life. So that is a physical element and psychological element, financial element, relationship element, and the last one is the social aspects. So we have to change our lifestyle in these five angles of our life. So then only we will get the permanent solution from the gut issues. So the what I mean the permanent solution means zero medicines and able to eat all the food without any restrictions. So that is called the permanent solution. So is it possible? You may get the question that is it possible? Yes, it is absolutely possible. When it is possible means when we are taking the proper medicines and the proper food habits and at the same time changing in our thoughts. It's a very important element. So when we are combining these three elements, medicines, food habits and changing thoughts, when we work on these three elements at a time, what happens, within 45 days to 90 days, we will get the permanent cure from the gut issues. So in this total channel, I am going to explain you how to change our thoughts. By that, how it can produce the permanent solution to our gut issues. So the time is every day night 6 p.m. and make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It is very easy to overcome gastritis. So I'm here to help you on this in this journey. So consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. So thank you very much. Have a great day. Good night.